I know we've already in the FabFitFun Fall 2026 season, but I just couldn't let this summer 2026 box go without sharing it with you all. Hey beautiful people, I'm Rachel. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Before we jump into today's video, as many of you know, I was dealing with some health issues over the past couple of months, so I wasn't able to post this unboxing when the summer box first arrived. And even though we are already in the fall season, I still wanted to share this unboxing. So let's get started with my FabFitFun Summer 2026 unboxing. For customization 1, there were 12 options, including a luxe choice, and I decided to go with the Stanley tumbler in black. The very first thing that stood out to me was the size. Look how big this is. Inside the tumbler, you'll find this instruction manual that explains how to wash and care for it. It also comes with another small guide that shows you how to remove the clip and clean it properly, which I thought was really helpful. I can already see myself using this every single day, whether I'm working, filming YouTube videos, or just running errands. I drink a lot of water throughout the day, so having a tumbler this size is definitely going to come in handy. Moving on to customization 2, there were 12 options and I actually ended up choosing 2 items. The first one is the Capitana oversized raffia clutch. I picked this because I really like the oversized design. It can fit so much more than I expected. You can easily carry your makeup, your phone, sunglasses, and all the little essentials that somehow always end up in our bags. This is what the inside looks like, and it also comes with this chain strap which gives you another way to wear it. I think this would look beautiful for beach vacations, brunch with friends, summer parties. The second item I picked was the Eugenia Kim Straw bucket hat. I have to say I really like this hat. By the way, the subscribe button is probably just few inches away from you. If you're enjoying this unboxing and all my FabFitFun content, I'd really appreciate if you click that subscribe button. It truly encourages me to create more videos like this and it helps support my channel. Now let's continue. For customization 3, there were 12 options including another luxe choice and I chose the Sahira Jewelry Tailor Toggle Chain Necklace. I love pieces that are simple, elegant and easy to wear with almost anything, and that's exactly what I liked about this necklace. This is how it looks up close, and one feature I really appreciate is clasp. Instead of struggling with a tiny hook behind your neck, you simply slide the horizontal bar through the ring to secure it. For me, that's a huge plus because with some necklaces, I actually need someone's help to put them on. This one is so much easier. For customization 4, there were 10 options, but nothing really stood out to me. Rather than choosing something that would probably sit in a drawer unused, I decided to take the $8 credit. One thing I like about FabFitFun is that they give you that flexibility. Sometimes taking the credit is actually a better choice because you can save it for something you'll truly enjoy later. Have you ever taken the credit instead of choosing a product? I'd love to know what you picked, so let me know in the comments. For customization 5, there were 10 options and I decided to go with the nail strips. I thought these would be fun to try, especially while filming my YouTube videos. This is what they look like and they included these 2 different colors. I'm really curious to see how easy they are to apply and how long they actually last. If you ever used nail strips before, I'd love to hear your experience. Do they stay on well? Let me know in the comments cause I'd love to hear your recommendations. Finally, for customization 6, it had 11 options and I chose the Kopari Beauty Lip Love SPF 30 in strawberry. I've actually been looking for a good SPF lip balm for a quite while, so this immediately caught my attention. I love products that combine hydration with sun protection because they're so easy to keep in your purse and use throughout the day. This is what it looks like up close and I really like this color. I think this is going to be one of those products that I'll reach for all summer long. Even though this is my FabFitFun Summer 2026 unboxing and we are already into the Fall 2026 season, I still really wanted to share it with all of you. Some of these products may show up again in future FabFitFun sales or even as a throwback selections. And I always enjoy looking back at previous boxes to see which products were really worth choosing. Plus, if you missed the summer box, I hope this gives you a closer look at everything that was inside. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which item was your favorite from this summer 2026 box? Let me know in the comments cause I always enjoy reading your choices. Thank you all so much for watching and spending part of your day with me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any FabFitFun spoilers, unboxings, reviews and customization videos. Thank you again for all your support. It truly means so much to me. Peace and blessings, my friends.